Hello there, my name is Jonrev Dalisay from CpE 14, and right now I'm going to be talking about desktop preventive maintenance. So we have 10 numbers in our list, and here they are. Number 1, always back up your data. Well, that's kind of obvious. You should always back up your data on a flash drive or an external hard drive or a CD if you have that, to make sure you don't lose your data in case of a data corruption caused by a virus or a worm, or if your PC happens to be broken and cannot be used anymore and you can't recover the data anymore in your PC. So number 2 is stay on top of virus protection. Like I said earlier, aside from backupping your data, you should also update your antivirus to make sure you prevent that from happening. You prevent the malwares, the viruses from corrupting your data, and to ensure that your data is kept on private only for you and to those people who you give permission to have, so your data will not be stolen. Number 3, we have check for updates. So you should always check for updates whenever you can when you're connected to the internet, to make sure that you're always up to date, your PC is always up to date, your drivers are up to date, to make sure that there's no malfunction, no errors, and to make sure that you don't like be vulnerable to certain bugs or to certain malfunctions in your PC that the developers or the manufacturer gives the update for you to solve those problems that they found. For number 4, we have to defrag every once in a while. So to keep our PC fast and reliable and more stable, we should use the defrag tool in our PC, so that the data inside will be more easily organized and more easily accessed, so to avoid them from slowing down, from data from piling up too much and stuff like that. And then for number 5, keep your laptop free of dust and debris. So basically, you should always keep your laptop clean. You should make sure that it's not dusty, because dust could potentially damage the components of the PC, and make sure that there's no like solid stuff that's in your PC that goes in there and damages the internal components and stuff like that, basically. And number 6, keep your monitor clean. While most people kind of ignore the monitors, you can't really see the dust. You can't really notice dust most of the time, so you should make sure the monitor is clean, so the dust could sneak inside to the internals of the monitor and potentially damage it and causing it to not work anymore. So we have experience on that. Number 7, avoid overcharging. Yeah, basically, avoid overcharging. You should be very aware of what time you're charging. If you're charging at night, never like leave it there, because you may damage your battery capacity, and there's a potential that you may damage also your charger, your PC, your internal components from too much charge flowing inside your PC and other stuff like that. So for number 8, be wary with unfamiliar networks like Wi-Fi's in bus terminals or Wi-Fi's in cafes. You should be very wary, because you are very vulnerable there. All of your data is exposed to other people, and it's only a matter of time that your data might be taken and used for stuff like, breach of privacy. And that would be all for this preventive maintenance video. Thank you for watching. Sorry for my voice, I'm kind of sick, so yeah, goodbye.